What we have here is a generator that's going to be run off of my creek. This big wheel's going to turn when the water hits the turbine, and it spins this generator. This generator is nothing but a motor off of a fan on a car, electric motor. But see, being DC, when you spin it, it becomes a generator, and it's going to run this light. This is a test light. Got a cord on it. It runs behind here. When that spins, it's going to make that light run. As a matter of fact, I can almost get it to work a little bit now. But we're going to run it down to the creek and see what it does, and we're going to show you another shot of this thing and see if it can produce power. I'm hoping it can produce about 500 watts. Maybe it will. We'll see. Get a good look at that, Dave. What do you think? As it spins, it's going to light that light bulb. And this is what the motor looks like when it's in a car. This is the fan. It's the same motor as that, except that I've put a pulley on it. Same motor that's on in front of your radiator in a car. And that thing will produce some power. So I'm hoping it'll work. So let's go on down to the creek and take a look and see what it does. Okay, Dave? Alright, this is a voltmeter. I just tested my volts, and my volt's a little bit lower than I'd like to see, but we're really stepping this up little by little, and I've got about 6 or 8 Christmas tree bulbs on it right now. Started off with just one, and it seems to be taking the load just fine. As you can see, I've got a squirrel cage here, and it's out of a house air conditioning unit. I've got the sluice running, and it powers it. It's not going very fast right now, but that's fast enough to make that little bit of power right there. So it's free. And my hope is to run a wire over to my bridge where you enter my property and have a night light going all night for free. And it'd be kind of cool to have it. And later on, I might be able to power up some cell phones and some emergency power. But, you know, of course I'll have to get bigger and better to do that. But I've got this little motor that's turning is actually a motor off of a fan drive on a car that cooled the car engine. And it's producing enough it could actually run a headlight if it was running fast enough, because I've tested it. But I'm using it as a generator. The power from the screen is turning what used to be a motor, and it can generate 12 or 15 volts if it gets fast enough. My plan is to make it to where it'll really spin faster and do a whole lot more work than it's doing right now. So just watch it, folks. This is Mickey's Water Wheel, and you can find it wherever you find this video. Thanks a lot for listening, and just stay tuned for my latest invention.